Should you buy the rental car company's insurance? I'll give you my professional and my personal opinion on this matter. So let's get the professional right out of the way. My professional opinion is purchase the insurance for them. It's just going to help you have peace of mind that you're not going to have any unexpected charges if there's ever an incident with the rental car. So if you have an auto insurance policy in New York State, your policy automatically covers for any damage to or loss of your rental vehicle. Now, what your policy does not cover is loss of use and diminished value. Now, loss of use is if you're in an accident in the rental car, the period of time that that car is out of service when it's being repaired, the company is not able to obviously collect revenue on that vehicle. You would be responsible to pay them for their loss of revenue. Now, the other factor, the other charge is diminished value. So if a vehicle is in an accident, it is not worth as much as a vehicle that is not in an accident. So the rental car companies turn their vehicles over rapidly every 1 to 2 years. So they're selling those vehicles. They are not able to sell a vehicle that has been in an accident for as much as one that has not been in an accident. So they could potentially charge you for diminished value. So some states allow the rental car companies to charge you for both of those. So make sure you read your contracts before you sign. You want to know what you are potentially responsible for. For example, loss of use can add up to be a lot. So if you had a rental car at $40 a day and that vehicle is out of service for 10 days while it's being repaired, that's $400. Now, with repair shops being understaffed and the difficulty in getting parts, we are seeing repairs take much longer. So we're seeing them go as long as 30 days or longer when they're just waiting for parts. At 30 days, at $40 a day, you're at $1,200 already. So it's adding up quickly, and that's not even taking into account the loss of value. So now you may be able to avoid the loss of use charge depending on the coverage on your credit card. Some credit card companies provide a rental car coverage benefit, so check with them to see if they cover you for loss of use. That would be a nice benefit to have. So now, for my personal opinion, now it's going to shock you, but it depends, right? So I'm always willing to take on a little bit of risk myself. So I usually err on the side of probably not purchasing the insurance, but I take a few things into consideration. One is, what state am I renting the car in? Are they going to allow the charges of the rental car company for the loss of use and the diminished value? I'm also going to check with my credit card company to see what they cover, if they provide any additional coverages for me. Also, I'm going to look at, am I familiar with the area that I will be driving in? Is there someplace that I'm comfortable with, that I know where I'm going? If it's someplace that's completely foreign to me, that it's new, that I'm not comfortable with driving at, I'd probably be more likely to get the insurance from the rental car company. So, like I said, I'm usually one that's usually willing to take on a little bit more risk and probably turn down the insurance, but I would consider all my factors first. I hope you do the same thing. I hope you found this tip helpful the next time you find yourself at the rental car company's counter and they're asking you whether or not you want to purchase the additional insurance. So thanks everybody, and I'll talk to you soon.